So step 2 of germ-proofing your kids is to unplug the garbage dump sites. And one of their garbage dump sites, as you know, is the lungs. The lungs are constantly taking in air and then breathing out wastes. So we want to make sure that as much as possible, we're doing what we can to make sure the air quality around our children is the very best quality that we can. One way we've approached this at our house is by installing an air filter for each child's bedroom. And this is the one that we picked up off of Amazon. It's a pretty simple unit, and the way that we make sure that they're constantly getting a night full of air when they can detox what's in their body and take in pristine quality air is by keeping the air filter running at night and by keeping the filters on a 3-month subscription. You can simply set yourself up to have them come every 3 months. You just swap out the filters and you can make sure that your kids are getting a good night's rest full of pristine quality air.